Hello, this is day 62 and I'm going to recap gold. This is July 22, 2004, Monday, and there is no trades today. So let me see. Let me show you what analysis I made and why there is no trades today. So starting with the daily chart, the swing is bullish, and I was expecting the price to make a bearish chop so that I could play the swing pullback. But before that, I was having this previous week's low and this bearish chop, and these two combined form a kind of equal lows. So I was definitely sure that today the price is going to go down. Definitely the price is going to go down. So my bias is very clear. So the thing is, I must look for correct entry points in lower time frames to catch this move. If I'm able to catch this move, that would have been a good profit. But I'll show you as the video progresses what I expected in the lower time frame and why I didn't enter shots. So looking, price took the week's being high as expected, but I did not get any trading opportunity. My analysis would be almost correct. Almost every time it would be correct, almost. But the trade idea, the setups, it does not happen often. Okay. Analysis is different, trading is different. Sometimes the market will go in my direction, but it will not provide the correct setup that I expect so as to enter into the trade. Sometimes it would have been frustrating. Sometimes it would make me doubt my strategy. Sometimes I would look for alternate setups, more kind of setups in the internet to look to utilize my analysis. But the thing is, the more setups you learn, the more times you fail. So having only 2 to 3 setups with a correct analysis that will gives you an edge. Even though the price goes without you, I must be steady and then leave the price go and appreciate for the analysis that I have done. So I must get used to this. I must not fall into the FOMO because I know I am analyzing the market with the primary drivers. So most probably my analysis would be correct, but I won't get the trades as per my lower time frame expectations. Okay, enough of the chat. So price took the week swing high as expected, but I did not get any trading opportunities. Now I'll be looking to short the market in anticipation of the internal pullback at least. So probably because of these liquidity criteria, I'll be expecting the price to go down today because of these two criteria. So looking to short the market as supply is in control, big push. Also, price can come down to take out the previous week's low liquidity and make a bearish chop. Then these two combine to form a equal lows. So this is 4-hour chart. The swing is bullish. Internal is also bullish. Now it has shifted to bearish. So this is the internal range. This is a strong high, and this is not the weak low. This is a strong high. So price didn't pull, make a decent pullback to consider this as a weak internal low. So the swing is bullish, internal is bearish. As mentioned in the daily analysis, price can come down without going up to take out the previous week's low liquidity. Also, there is a kind of equal lows formed in the Forex. Actually, I told you in the daily itself, but on this day I found out the equal lows was present in the 4-hour time frame only. Thus, price can be magnetized to come down. For high probability trade, look for a formation of sweep zones in the medium time frame. This is where you know, I was not able to take the trade. So this is H1. The H1 swing is bullish and internal is bearish. This is the previous week's low. So this is a strong internal high. This is the weak internal low. So swing is bullish, internal is bearish. 9 time frame bias is bearish. That's the pivots of today's analysis is the previous week's low, as it is a low hanging fruit that the price can be magnetized to. I'm expecting the price to make a sweep zone, sweeping the buy side liquidity. These are the buy side liquidity. Ideally the Asian highs, and then pushing down, confirming the supply is in control. So what I was expecting is, I didn't mark the supply. So I was expecting the price to take out the Asian highs, at least mitigate the supply. So once that is done, I'll be having a ton of confidence that once the buy side liquidity is taken, obviously the next target would be the sell side liquidity, which is the previous week's low and the internal low, and also the 4 hours equal lows. So ton of sell side liquidity is there. So once the buy side liquidity is taken, I'll be entering shorts aggressively. So that was my plan, but not always expectation plays out. So at 115, price just pushed down. Price did not sweep the desired liquidity, but it trickled down. I just want to follow the bearish order flow if the price comes to the supply before taking over the previous week's liquidity. So I expected the price to be a little consolidative and then tap into the supply, or this could be a fake break and this could be the liquidity pool. So price can push up, take this liquidity and then come down. So I was thinking ways in which the price can take that liquidity, but price didn't, price didn't want that liquidity. Actually, the price just pushed down without taking any liquidity, and this Asian high became my strong high. So that's at 135. So it is what it is. There is no setup today. So let's see. And it didn't actually close below, but it didn't completely close. We just picked, and then price started to consolidate. So it was actually at 230. Uh, so I just don't want to trade the New York lull. So this was actually the two to three candle. At 230, I was seeing this consolidation, and then I just left the chart because I know like price will not come here. So to come here, it will take at least 2 to 3 candles. So I need to sit for another 3 to 4 hours, which is not my session. So I just left the chart with no trades. So that's it for today. Let's zero out. Okay, yeah. So the moral for today's analysis is most of my analysis plays out, but I'm not getting enough trading opportunities. It's fine. I'll I'll get. I'm having a specific setup, specific model. Everyone trades a specific model. If it plays out, it's good. If it doesn't plays out, it's fine. But those specific models only plays out at a specific point of time and specific point of area of value. So you can't play those models everywhere in the chart. So I'm happy to let the price go, and let's see what the market has for me in the upcoming days. Thank you guys. Bye.